Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 1. We want to present our presentation about implementation of the ESP8266 microcontroller against NH3 levels in chicken tubes by Ismi and Marcella Putri Haryanti. In Indonesia, one of the fastest growing business is a business that engage in animal husbandry. Therefore, farm owners must always ensure the quality of their livestock. For example, in chicken farms, if chickens die, the cows must be examined. In today's millennial era, everything can be done easily thanks to the Internet of Things. Checks are carried out with sensors that are able to detect the ammonia content or NH3 gas in the chicken and check the condition of the cage. If the coop is dirty or lots of chicken manure, the more chickens will die and the owner can lose. On the other hand, if the cage is cleaned diligently, the chickens will stay healthy and develop well. Sales will increase and the owner will make a big profit. And next, I will explain about the definition of embedded system. Embedded system is a computer system that performs specific tasks, provides data, response in real time or directly. The example of embedded system is printer. In this presentation, we will discuss the components of implementing embedded system that use the NH3 levels detector with the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module in the paper. The first topic is component of NH3 detector. Components that used are input, communication, microcontroller, and software. And the component include input are sensor MQ135 and ammonia gas. Sensor MQ135 as an input receiver NH3 levels in ppm units. And the second one is ammonia gas, that the poisonous gas if the amount is large and kill the chickens. The second component that used is communication. The communication components are website, WebSocket, and wireless sensor network or WSN. Website has a function as a control data that has been received from the router in an online database on a specific website. And the second one is WebSocket. WebSocket has a function so that the data received by the website is understood by the program written on the website also as a network protocol. The advantage is that the data transferred is real time. And the third one is wireless sensor network or WSN. Used here is a router to determine the closest internet network path from the server to the data producer and to protect the data result from attackers. And the third component is microcontroller. The component include microcontroller is ESP8266 that has function as control the sensor to feed the program we create at Arduino IDE and transmit data to the server via a router. And the last component is software. The component includes software is Arduino IDE. Arduino has a function as a dedicated programming platform for the computer to be able to sketch program designed for ESP8266. And I will explain the second topic is flowchart of NH3 detector for embedded system design. The first step is sensor MQ135. As a starter in the system, flowchart is made to MQ135 because there are two locations that the MQ135 sensor. The first sensor is located in a chicken tube that has little chicken manure, and the second one is located in a chicken tube that has a lot of chicken manure. And the second process or second step is the second MQ135 data is processed on two ESP8266 controllers. And the third process is the two are connected to the ESP master node, which will send the data through the ESP gateway as a network pointer from the router. And the last process is the router enters the data into the server on the laptop or computer, where the NH3 number will be analyzed from both sensors. And that's all from me. The third topic will explain with my friend Ismi.
Hello, my name is Ismi Rizky Sopianti. I want to explain about workflow ammonia detector for implementation system design. The workflow will start by device connected first with the internet, and then if the device connected to the internet successfully, then enter to the main menu of the website, and then set up 2 pairs of sensors. The sensor must plug into chicken farm area, and then put the sensor in the chicken farm area, and the sensor connected to pairs of ESP2, and then furthermore waiting from the sensor work will catch noxious gases, especially ammonia gas, and later after get data from capturing gas levels, and then the status of the sensor will be displayed on the website to find out ambient air status in ppm. The picture on the side, we can see that there are 2 pieces of sensor. First, sensor 1 is which is placed in where has a lot of chicken manure, have the symbol. The symbol is a white circle, and then sensor 2, which is placed in place of chicken manure, the symbol is red circle, and then the result of ammonia detector will show at the table. We can conclude that sensor 1, which is placed where the most of chicken manure has high level of ammonia in percent. We can see that the level ammonia is in sensor 1 is 95, 94, 92, 91, and 90. And then sensor 2, which is placed where the less of chicken manure has less of levels ammonia gas. You can see that the levels ammonia, the ammonia levels is 1.99, 1.99 and others. And then the result of ammonia detector is there are 2 types of sensor. There are 2 pieces of sensor. That means the sensor will place in 2 different places. First, chicken drums that have a lot of chicken manure tend to have a lot of ammonia gas too. Because of that, the chicken will have a respiratory system bad, and the chicken will dead. And 2, chicken drums that have a little chicken manure tends to have little of ammonia gas too. Because of that, the respiratory system in the chicken is good, and then the chicken is getting healthier. And then I want to explain conclusion and suggestion. There are 2 main components in this embedded system. First is ESP, and then 2 is MK135 sensor. The sensor will capture ammonia gas level in form of ppm, and then the ESP H266 Wi-Fi module, which acts as the receiver of the data, and then sending it to the web. And then the MK135 sensor along with the Wi-Fi module is designed to be placed in the 2 chicken farm area. First, chicken farm area with a lot of dirt. Second, chicken farm area with less of dirt. And then the communication between nodes occurs when a data exchange process occurs, which begins with a sensor that successfully captures data and transmit it wirelessly to the Wi-Fi module SP. And then the data will later be sent to a web page with the aim of being able to see the status of ammonia gas level in the form of ppm. The system that has been created is designed using the WebSocket protocol that supports real-time application because it uses two-way communication. In this device, we have sensor, we have controller, and then we have input, and then the network. The network is we have VSN, web server network, which is the routers. The routers will sending data to the shortest path, which is to the server or the laptop. And then the sensor, the name is MK135 sensor to capture ammonia gas level. And then 2 types of sensor and 2 type of ESP will pass into chicken farm area. First, if the sensor 1 placed in the lot of dirt, tend to have a lot of ammonia gas too. And then 2, if the sensor MK135 less of of or little of ammonia or of chicken manure tend to have little of ammonia gas too. And then the ammonia gas level with capture in percent or in ppm in the sensor. You can see that the data uses two-way communication. Because of that, the data send and receive real time. Because we use WebSocket protocol, and that is characteristic of embedded system, which is have real time and then have a single text of or specific text, which is in this device is ammonia detector in chicken farm. And then suggestion from author is so that the scope to be observed is wider, so you can use the transceive model which has a wide measurement range. Recommend to use the MQ137 sensor, which is specifically for detecting levels of ammonia surplus gas. Hope everyone want to open chicken farm can or must have this device, because this device helping them to reach money, to reach a lot of money. Because if you have a healthy chicken farm, you will getting a lot of money. You will have this because this device will capture the level of ammonia, and you can clean easily when the chicken manure has a high level of ammonia. You will have this because this device will capture the level of ammonia, and you can clean easily when the chicken manure has a high level of ammonia. You can easily clean to make the chicken comfortable, to make the chicken healthy. And then this is the resources that we put at this ISAS. Thank you for your attention.